Today we're going to be talking about accessories for the Sony Action Cam, so grab yourself a coffee and join us for Tech Tips. Hi and welcome along to this show. Today we're going to be talking more about add-ons for the Sony Action Cam, in particular the lens protector and the Sony shooting grip. So if you're about to go and spend the best part of £500 on the Sony FDR-3000X, stay tuned and we'll tell you why you need both these add-ons to enhance your experience. The MC protector, or AKA-MCP1, is a must for all Action Cam users. The camera comes equipped with a protective box for underwater use, but when you just use the camera for everyday filming or as intended for sports action, then you really need to invest in this small attachment. It will protect the camera against dust, dirt and scratches. It has an AR coating, or anti-reflective, which will reduce reflections and flare and make your images stand out even more, even in the brightest conditions. Now, being water and oil repellent, the coating ensures dirt will wash easily from the lens protector. So for around £30, this should be one small investment you should be looking to make. The protector simply clips onto the front of the camera, giving all-round coverage of the lens, safely shielded behind the glass lens on the protector. Now, the lens protector is also compatible with the Sony HDR-AS300 camera. Now, the unit is relatively small and weighs in at just 22 grams. One other thing is, when the G5 GS gimbal from Failtech was released, they stated the gimbal would not work without the underwater housing on the camera. Now, having tested the gimbal with just the lens protector attached, it seems to balance really well and we've had no vibrations from the gimbal when trying it out. So what about our next add-on, the VCT-STG1 or shooting grip? Having a camera as small as the Sony means handling takes much more care and attention, and it's relatively impossible without some sort of mount, so you can have the camera under control. The camera screws into the 1/4 inch thread found at the top of the grip, and you can easily position it from this point. This is where the shooting grip comes into play, and it's again a worthwhile add-on for the range. It will also convert into a mini tripod, ideal for static shots, or as you can see here, taken from our recent holiday in Cuba, a time-lapse, something that wouldn't be possible without this equipment. You can stand the camera on the tripod and still make adjustments to the angle of the shot. A small thumb screw on the side allows you to tilt the camera forward and back. Having more stability and control will give you much smoother shots if you incorporate the built-in optical stabilization system, or BOS. If you opted for the live remote viewer when purchasing your Action Cam, there's a slot available where this can be attached, enabling you to control and frame your views in readiness for shooting. It even comes complete with a hand strap, so even if the grip slips, it will still be wrapped around your wrist, making your whole filming experience much more secure. Now, the grip retails around the £42 mark. It will work with all Action Cam models and weighs in at 155 grams. We think it's another cool add-on to your Action Cam setup. Well, that's all we have time for right now. Now all you got to do is get out there with your Action Cam and start making some great movies. We hope you can join us again soon for more tech tips.